And of course, yan, i-zoom natin. So nakikita na po ba ang ating slide and yung ating boses o yung ating audio? Okay ho ba? Yan. So can you please type ready if you're ready with the presentation para po makita ko na andyan po kayo. Ayan. Thank you, Ma'am Magda Amar. Thank you, Ma'am Ruth. Ayan, thank you sa lahat ng nag-type ng ready. Okay, so I am your presenter for tonight. I am Maria Jeanette Chetsa Johanas. Ako po ay taga Pangasinan, so pure Pangasinense po ako, although my mom is an Ilocana. So I started building my career at the age of 18. I mean, nasa sales po talaga tayo, no? So, nag-umpisa na po talaga tayo sa sales in a fast food chain. And then, yung formal na career ko po started way back late 2000, no, as in the corporate world sa Baguio City. So I really started as a telephone operator sa isang telecommunication company, PhilTel, or Filipino Telephone Corporation sa Baguio City. And then it was absorbed by PLDT, another telecommunication company. So basically, nasa customer service po tayo. So I dealt with a lot of customers, lahat ng klaseng customer andyan na kasi customer service nga po over the phone and face to face. So I would like to say na talagang nakita ko na lahat ng klaseng customer and their their moods and their types, no? Yan. And added to that po, I met this kind of industry during the time that I was in the telecommunication company, and I was mesmerized with the concept. So since a single mom po tayo, syempre mahilig tayong rumakit, no? So I did it as a side hustle before until I was really talagang it blowed my mind nung nakita ko ang potential ng ganitong industry. So I did it really as a side hustle. And yun nga, but there was a time in my life na I lost a daughter because of sickness. So nung nawala siya, it's like parang it is not enough dahil nagkasakit siya for 2 years eh. And you know naman the healthcare in the Philippines is really, well, I have to say, the sad truth is very poor talaga. Like getting sick there is how do you call it? It's not a right, it is a privilege na pag wala kang perang hirap, di ba? So, as a mom, syempre gusto natin gumaling yung anak natin, but then it didn't work that way. So, she passed away. So, I got scared. Nung natakot ako, sabi ko, hindi pa pwedeng ganito. I have to do something. So, and my mom was here in Canada, and I've heard that maganda ang healthcare ng Canada. So, even if nagahati yung pakiramdam ko because leaving my three kids behind, I have to choose. Sabi nga, you have to choose your battles. And sabi ko, what if magkaganon ulit, may magkasakit and helpless na ako. So even if masakit, I have to make a choice. Even if mahirap, I have to make a choice. Because ang nakasalang dito is the future, and I got scared nga. Kaya po, to cut the story short, napunta po ako dito sa Canada. So from sales and marketing, napunta tayo sa healthcare, which is not my comfort zone. In fact, iniyakan ko. But then, malalim yung rason ko. When you are a mom, talagang you will always think of your children. And I'm sure nakaka-relate po kayo. So, I have to get out from my comfort zone and be here in the healthcare until minahal ko na ang healthcare industry. And yun nga, I am dealing with seniors right now, no? With the most of dementia patients, and marami akong realization dito that getting old is really also scary. No? Ang dami kong realization. Now, aside from that, I was also a former anchor and promotion. So, naging local TV host din po tayo doon sa Philippines, no? And feng shui consultant. I am dealing with a lot of energy, tapping the energy from the environment. So, also a master Reiki, another type of energy healing. So rest assured that you will be getting a positive energy ngayon, no? And yeah, currently I have my license as a Zumba instructor. And dahil nga po naatasan tayo and we are tasked being one of the speakers dito po sa DMW, syempre kailangan din nating mag-level up, and we also have to develop our personal development. Yun nga, we have to improve our personal way, di ba? Yung ating, we have to level up sa personal development natin, because personal development also does not far exceed yung ating income. And syempre, when you are tasked to be a speaker, you have to make sure that you are the best, you are the best information giver. Ibig sabihin, magle-level up ka din talaga to make sure that you are giving them the best information, no? Ayan. And true enough, I collaborated with Coach MJ Lopez po, isang influencer dyan sa Philippines, is also a student of Tony Robbins. So, yon, which, and mostly yung mga learnings po is sinishare ko din po dito sa DMW for the whole team. Yan. And today, I am here for this opportunity na i-share po sa inyo because of 3 reasons. The reason why I joined this is gusto kong dito kunin ang aking retirement income. And of course, because I prioritize my health, because I have always believed that health is wealth. And third, I want to build a legacy for my family, for my kids. So, I want to redeem the time na nawala. So, I think building a legacy for them would also help them para naman mag-make up dun sa mga, not only the time, no, na nawala, but also yung buhay na nawala din sa kanila when I wasn't there. So, dito ko nakita na regardless kung ano yung sitwasyon mo right now, whether you are a single mom, you are an employee who just want a side hustle, or maybe you are just that person na gusto mong ma-transform talaga ang life mo, I believe and I resonate that this company is something very unique, very powerful, very amazing, at ang mission nito is naka-align para sa ating lahat. So, again, congratulations po dahil andito po kayo ngayon, and rest assured po na hindi ko sasayangin ang oras nyo ngayon. So, I would like to introduce to you the company na talaga namang ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. The name of the company is Live Good, the membership that pays. Now, ito pong company na to is really on a very disruptive model because it pioneered the membership that pays concept. So, I'm pretty sure you are familiar with multi-level marketing, and andami po, no, there are millions of network marketers in the whole world. It is because nakita nila yung concept ng ganitong industriya. A lot of people have changed, a lot of people have transformed because of this industry. Ang nakakalungkot lang is yung traditional model no longer works sa ngayon po. So most of the businessmen are aligning with membership model, no? Ngayon, merong isang company which is Live Good na nag-pioneer sa ganito. Nakita niya na the old traditional way of doing multi-level marketing no longer work. In fact, it is a sick care model na. Bakit sick care model? Kasi hindi na siya naka-align doon sa behavior and expectations ng marketplace. Alam niyo po, kung tayo ay magninegosyo, it is very important that naka-align ka sa behavior kung ano ba ang demand ng marketplace. And ano ba ang demand ng marketplace ngayon? There are more of affordability and value. So people are moving away from expensive things and moving towards affordability and value. And alam ko nakaka-relate po kayo, hindi po ba tayo ayaw natin ng nabibentahan? No? Ang gusto natin sale, ang gusto natin discount. And ngayon, ang trend here in the marketplace is membership. Now, bakit ko sinasabi na gano'n ang trend? Look at your cell phone. Ilang apps, your app store. Lahat po ng makikita niyang apps dyan, mostly, are driven by subscription. At bakit subscription? Because ang daming benefits ang pagkakaroon ng subscription, no? Very minimal for the consumer. Nagkakaroon ng scalability, expansion, flexibility, and all. And alam niyo po ba na ang subscription model ngayon is the trend of the future, and it is the future of commerce. And ngayon, matutunghayan nyo, I will be giving you example of these popular memberships to prove to you na talagang ito na ang trend ngayon, and ito na ang kinakailangan ng marketplace. So welcome again to our company, Live Good, that the membership that pays. So ito po yung sinasabi ko, no? There are a lot of memberships, pero ito yung mga pinaka-popular and familiar po sa inyo na magsasample tayo to prove to you na talagang ito ngayon ay concept na in demand in the marketplace. Amazon. And we have Amazon Prime now. So, si Amazon, what is usually nangyayari? No? It is a subscription model wherein you get to pay $14.99 per month or $139 per year. And then what do you get? You get a lot of benefits, no? You get freebies. So I am a member of Amazon Prime. So yes, I am paying $14.99 in exchange of what kind of services? 24 hours or same-day delivery ng products. And then I get 1 credit para sa isang audiobook per month. I could watch movies then inside, no, the Amazon Prime membership. So bawing-bawi ako dyan sa $14.99. And true enough, kung makikita nyo ang figures ni Amazon ngayon, no, it's 200 million members. And we know that, I'll give you a backstory kay Amazon, how he started, para mas makarelate po kayo, and why Live Good choose this kind of concepts. Another one, Netflix, na very disruptive din ang kanyang model. He disrupted the cinema. Ngayon, very few na ang nanonood ng sine, hindi ba? During the pandemic, they found out na during the time na hindi ka makalabas. So, people stayed at home. Doon na mayagpag si Netflix. Netflix offer a wide variety of movies from anong klase? Action. You can watch action movies, sex comedy, horror, love story, at kung ano-ano pa. Action, suspense, for only $9.99 or $15.49 or $19.99, depende sa plan mo. So, pwede kang mag-movie marathon. So, sa tingin mo, hindi na-appreciate yon ng masa, right? And makikita mo na na-appreciate nila because even after pandemic, hanggang ngayon, namamayagpag pa rin ang Netflix. And in fact, the filmmakers are or movie producers are also collaborating with Netflix. So, nagko-collaborate sila, they try to talk with Netflix na pwede bang ilagay dyan ang movie natin, ang movie namin. And why did I say that? Because I know a filmmaker, a movie producer na who is very close to me, sinasabi niya na mas maganda ngayon na ilagay sa Netflix. Kung magpuproduce ako ng movie, sa Netflix na lang. Kasi kokonti na ang pumupunta sa sinehan, not unless na talagang blockbuster yung movie. Yun ang sinabi niya. And yes, there are 240 million members na sa Netflix, no? Yan. So, it's thriving. So we also have Sam's Club, Costco. Ang alternative niyan sa Pilipinas is SNR, no? It is a wholesale membership club wherein you get to pay every year in exchange of what? Huge discount, malaking discount. Bawi ba? I'm a member of Costco as well. Bawi ba ang $120 per year na binabayaran kong membership? Of course, nag-grocery ba ako every month? No, pero one item lang. Bawing-bawi na ako. Like yung ginagamit ko ngayon na headset. I bought it sa Costco, $69. Nung naghanap uli ako ng isa, wala na sa Costco. Hinanap ko sa mall, it's already $130. So nag-double yung price. So na-appreciate ko siya even if hindi ako everyday nag-grocery or not even every month. No? And tignan nyo si Costco ngayon. Costco got 123 million members. Diba? That's so huge. Also, Disney Plus, kagaya din siya ng Netflix, wherein you get to pay $10.99 per month or $109 per year in exchange of what? Movies, wide variety of movies na nanggaling sa kanilang productions. And Disney Plus has 150 million members. So what does these numbers speak? It speaks volume. Ibig sabihin lang talaga na nagmamayagpag at nagtathrive ang ganitong concept. And this is where we are right now. This is where Live Good is. Okay? The first company that pioneered the membership club that pays concept in a multi-level marketing. No? Again, we are trying to fix the seek care model of multi-level marketing wherein bakit natin tinatawag na seek care model? Dahil yung traditional, nakafocus tayo on what? On recruitment, nakafocus tayo on product volume, nakafocus tayo on wala na point value and all, no? So nawawala na yung true essence ng ganitong industriya, which is empowerment, support, and changing lives. And I am also happy to say that even if ganito ang ating concept, angat tayo. Ano ang edge natin sa mga membership na binanggit ko? Well, yung mga yon, yes, merong discounts, may exclusivities, merong freebies, but those membership na minention ko do not pay us. That's why we are called the membership that pays. No? Yan. So, para mas maintindihan nyo na talagang mamamayagpag at talaga naman namamayagpag ang ganitong industriya, I'll give you a backstory about Amazon. Si Amazon nag-umpisa noong July 16, 1995 and in his own backyard with 250,000 na puhunan. And anong ginawa niya? Amazon officially launched selling books online. Ganun po siya nag-umpisa. And then, in the early 2000, Amazon expanded well beyond books. So, nag-expand siya. It went into videos, music, clothing, electronic toys, kitchenware, ano pa, skincare, ang dami pa. And look at Amazon right now. Mag-type kayo sa Google, mag-type kayo dyan, i-search nyo. Ano ang unang lumalabas? Nire-redirect kayo kay Amazon, right? Because Amazon has almost everything under the sun. Oh, diba? And then, i-connect natin yan. Si Live Good naman, was launched globally on December 13, 2022 from Jupiter, Florida. So we just started last 2022, no? Yan, mag-anniversary na tayo in a few days. And our business model is the wholesale membership club, driven by subscription. Okay, so magdi-deep dive tayo as we move forward, no? Yan. Okay, so it is also the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares its membership revenue with affiliates. So who are the affiliates? So, well, it's up to you kung gusto niyo maging affiliate because itong membership natin is kakaiba. Ang membership club natin ay merong naka-attach na affiliate program. And when you speak of affiliation, when you speak of affiliate marketing or affiliate program, syempre, meron tayong kitaan, no? May involved na earning opportunity dyan. Yan, and mamaya, pag-uusapan natin in detail. Of course, Live Good's revenue comes from the membership and not from the product sales. Remember, ang sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, Live Good pioneered the membership that pays na concept, no? So, in the MLM industry. So, ibig sabihin nito, tayo po ay driven from the membership, not from product sales. So, ibig sabihin, kagaya ni Amazon, ni Costco, ni Sam's Club, ni Netflix, ni Disney Plus, di ba pag member ka niyan, you are not compelled to buy. You are not compelled to sell. You are not even compelled to buy monthly. No? Yan. So, ganun din si Live Good. Hindi ka required bumili every month. Hindi ka din required magbenta. It's up to you. Kung feel mong magbenta, it's optional. Which is, make it very easy kung i-compare natin dun sa traditional way of doing multi-level marketing. Kaya kung kayo po ay isang network marketer or maybe have an experience sa multi-level marketing, congratulations. Dahil po ngayon, kakaiba ang inyong maririnig. You might say na, oh, this is so good to be true. No, it looks like, pero this is real because napakaganda ng mission ng ating company. No? And alam niyo po ba na itong company natin has a record-breaking membership numbers? That on its 13th month, tandaan niyo, 13th month, nagkaroon na kaagad tayo ng 1 million members. And this is very important. Bakit? Never, never ever in the history of multi-level marketing na. Alam naman natin ang multi-level marketing industry has been there for like almost 100 years. Never ever, walang nakagawa na multi-level marketing na nagkaroon ng 1 million members. But with Live Good, we did it on its 13th month. So sa lahat ng affiliates ito, congratulations because you're a part of it. And here's more, no? Ngayon, we already have 1.6 million members sa Live Good. So sa tingin nyo, kung hindi maganda ang ganitong concept, hindi ba tayo mag-increase every day? There are hundreds of people joining every hour. Yes, every hour. In fact, no, ang sumasali dito, ang nagra-rank up, I mean, talagang marami talaga. And last month, we paid out $6 million only for 1 month. Yes, that's 348 million pag kinonvert nyo sa peso. And ganun kaganda ang ating model kasi if you have to compare it dun sa mga previous, no, or I don't know, you could think of any multi-level. Paano mag-rank up? Mabagal. Dito, yung first rank, wow, 300,000 plus are ranking every week. Every week, no? Tatandaan nyo yan. So, ganun po kaganda. And why is that? Because it is so simple, it is so easy, and it is so doable. Yeah. And of course, very important na malaman nyo din, no? The people behind or the person behind the company, yung ating mastermind or the brainchild of our company. Why is it so important na makilala nyo or dapat malaman nyo ang background ng CEO? Of course, because everything rise and fall on leadership. Kung alanganin ang integrity, ang credibility ng mga taong nagpapatakbo ng ating company, well, most likely, babagsak ka agad, no? So, kilalanin po natin ang ating CEO, the brainchild of the company. We have Mr. Ben Glinsky. He actually started from the ranks. He has a background as a network marketer. And yes, with over 20 years experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. Gaya nga po ng sabi ko, network marketer po siya. And I was in his company before and nakita ko po talaga his heart, no? Actually, he used to run a traditional model and doon niya nakita na, sabi niya, this type of model is no longer naka-align sa sinasabi natin na concept na, okay, you build your team in a few years, 2 years, and then after 2 years, you will have solid residual income. Bakit? Because the traditional way of doing it has this high-price products, my price gouging. So he's not happy. Sabi niya, it's even hurting a single mom who just want to earn an extra income. So he retired from doing that old model and then after 6 years, he went back and eto nga, bagong concept. And alam niyo po, pagdating sa background, no, he is an IT guy. He is also a consultant ng iba't ibang multi-level marketing. And he is so visible dito sa company natin. And you know what? Ang mission natin is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And sabi nga natin, he want to people win. So he designed the concept of our company talaga namang very favorable for the everyday people. And with the help of our co-founders, we have Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development, our formulator. At he's very thorough, very detailed, and he made sure na bawat product na meron sa membership club natin is clean, fungicide-free, herbicide-free, and malinis talaga. In fact, kilala niya ang mga farmers. Alam niya kung paano extract yung mga ingredients ng product. And ang sabi niya kasi, I formulate the products for my family to use. And I want to share it with the world. And pagdating naman sa background, he's also a pharmacist, no? At the same time, a natural health practitioner. So, ang ganda ng combination ng kanyang background, no? Dahil nagsisynergize yung pagiging pharmacist niya at the same time as a natural health practitioner. So he made sure na each product na fino-formulate niya ay talagang napakaganda dahil nababalanse niya yung mga products at alam niya yung mga ingredients na compatible sa bawat isa para mas maging effective yung product na gagamitin natin, di ba? And very powerful yun, yung sinabi niya na, I want to share it with the world. I want to share it with the world. No? So he makes sure, since ipapakain niya sa family niya, malinis, and of course, sharing it with the world. Hand in hand with his wife, Lisa Goodkin, who is the Director of Product Education. Alam niyo po, ito pong taon to, she embodies health, wellness, and fitness. And true enough, meron po siyang background in exercise physiology and science and nutrition. So sila pong mag-asawa, hindi na po bago sa industriya ng health and fitness. Very well versed na po sila. And Lisa, if you want to know about healthy lifestyle, healthy living, ano dapat ang ipasok ko sa katawan ko, well, Lisa is the go-to person and very responsive po siya. Okay? And of course, we have Nader Kazan, the Director of Field Development, an icon in the multi-level industry, no? BFF po yan ni Ben Glinsky. No? So siya actually ang nag-convince kay Ben to come up with his concept. So he is a legend. He helped a lot of people. He mentored a lot of people. And of course, he's always in the Zoom 12 to 50 times a day just to talk about Live Good. Alam niyo po, napakaganda sa ating corporate team is that they don't hide in the bushes. Very visible. You would see Lisa and Dr. Ryan Monday para talking about the products. And you would see Nader Kazan on a Wednesday giving some trainings for the affiliates. You would see them, the four of them, on a Thursday doing business presentation na ganito, wala lang silang slide. And of course, you would see them on a Friday giving us updates and of course, edifying and recognizing leaders na nag-rank up. So, hindi ka kakaba-kaba na, nako, hindi ko kilala ang ang mga corporate team and the CEO. Because here, you could be rest assured that they are visible and we could be rest assured na pag ganyan ang corporate team, we are in good hands. And of course, pag ganyan ang mga founders and co-founders, hindi nakakatakot and maririnig, success is knocking on your way. Diba? Yan. Okay, so we are starting with high quality, organic, certified, very affordable, natural products. So bakit tayo nag-umpisa sa health and wellness products? Dahil sabi nila, sabi ni Ben, people are not conscious anymore of their health. They take it for granted. And of course, because of the pandemic, diba? And totoo naman lagi natin kino-compromise ang health natin, no? Like, okay lang, inaabuso yung katawan natin because we think we are strong, no? Ngayon, dumating, when pandemic hits us, ano nangyari? Na-compromise yung immune system natin. So, ang sabi ni Ben, it is very important that we have to start with the health and wellness because health is not a passing trend. Health is a commitment to yourself. No? So very important to, and I would like to say this loud, huwag niyo pong ipagsawalang bahala ang kalusugan dahil napaka-importante po ito, especially in the signs of times. Tinatamaan tayo ng mga diseases na hindi natin alam. Radiation and all. Ang daming mga free radicals. Yung pollution, hindi na natin alam. So sabi nga natin, our body is the best doctor. But then in order for your body to function well, you have to have a strong immune system. And yun nga ang nakakalungkot dahil ngayon sa mga kinakain natin, sa environment na exposed tayo masyado, hindi na natin nakukuha yan. That is why we need supplementation. And supplementing yourself, being healthy is non-negotiable. Hindi mo pwedeng i-negotiate yan. Kailangan mo yan, especially if you are a breadwinner. Kadalasan tayo pong mga breadwinner, all we are doing is just giving, okay, ang importante, magtatrabaho ako para may maipapadala ako, but nasa sacrifice mo, nakalimutan mo na ang sarili mo. Guys, being healthy is also self-love. And the best love story is loving yourself first. Okay? Meron nga nakalagay na fly eh. First, love yourself. So it is very important for you to be healthy. Kaya, dyan po tayo nag-umpisa, no? Now, the good news about our products are wholesale pricing. They are wholesale price for members. Wala tayong price gouging. No price gouging. Ano ibig sabihin ng price gouging? Ang price gouging is that practice kung saan ang mga business owners ay they create massive price, no? Para dun sa mga products nila, especially on time of crisis and emergencies. So ang nangyayari, ano nangyayari ngayon? Na-exploit ang mga consumers. Wala po tayong ganon. So we don't have price gouging. So we have wholesale price and no price gouging. So Live Good made sure that ang mga products natin ay talagang fairly priced. Hinahanap nila kung saan tayo makakatipid. Why? Again, the intention, again, uulitin ko yung mission. The mission of the company is to get everyone healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it, without breaking your bank. Kaya natin pinapasawalang bahala ang health natin kasi gastos na naman yan. Naku po, baguhin nyo na po yung mindset nyo na yan, no? Masarap pa rin mabuhay, no? And kung minsan sinasabi natin na, hindi, okay lang, nagkakasakit ako. No. Alam nyo po, getting old is a privilege, but doing it gracefully is an art. So let us do it gracefully. No? Let us use Live Good products. And matutuwa po kayo dahil nga, there's no excuse anymore na hindi ka na magpapaka-healthy dahil makikita mo how affordable and how high the quality our products are. Ngayon, para i-prove ko yan, syempre magsasample tayo. Example dito, we have 3 products, no? Yan, we have Super Greens, Protein, and Collagen. I-compare natin. Mag-price compare tayo sa ibang company. Which would prove, no? Kasi sinabi ni Ben, alam nyo ba, sabi niya, ng isang product, pag na-manufacture, nag-range lang ang cost niyan from $8 to $12. Pero pag pinasok mo sa isang network marketing company, the traditional way, nagma-mark up yan ng times 10, times 15. Bakit? Para may pambayad na commission doon sa mga distributors on top of the compensation plan para mas maging attractive, no? So gone are those days kasi nga hindi na nag-work, hindi na ganoon ang gusto ng tao ngayon with the inflation yung nangyayari sa economy, with the social media presence na kaya mo nang i-compare kung ano yung mas affordable, mas mura, wala na, 'di ba? So what is good about Live Good is kahit na ikumpara mo sa iba't ibang company, pasok sa banga pa rin tayo. Look at our Super Greens, $18. Very powerful ang ating Super Greens. Kung hindi ka nagkakakain ng gulay, then it is high time to you to eat, no? Very powerful siya. Merong moringa, which is the miracle plant. Merong spirulina, the natural antibiotic. Merong aloe vera for cleansing. Merong dandelion, merong ashwagandha, merong barley, merong wheatgrass, and all. For only $18. I-compute niyo na po yan sa pesos. Comparing sa isang product na katapat niya na halos pareho ng quality for $99.99. Ilan po ang savings niya? That's huge. Another one, protein. Bakit kailangan natin ng protein? Plant-based protein. Merong amino acids, hemp protein, pea protein. Dahil one of the sign of aging is muscle loss. Kailangan nating i-maintain ang ating lean muscle as we age. Normal na tayo ay tatanda, but then, uulitin ko, it is very important that we have to age gracefully. Magkano ang protein natin? $22. At kailangan natin ang protein. We have to eat more protein, less carbohydrates to maintain our lean muscle mass. So magkano sa competitor? 62.95. Oh, kayo na ang mag-compute ng price difference. Another one na gusto kong pag-usapan dahil isa ito sa mga paborito ko, collagen. Collagen is a billion-dollar industry na. Alam niyo po, napaka-importante ang collagen. As we age, nadideplete yung collagen natin. Binanggit ni Sis Michelle kanina, it is the Collagen is that thing that holds the body together. It is the glue that holds the body together. No? At saka very powerful ang ating collagen. Why? It is hydrolyzed, madaling i-absorb ng katawan. It is in powder form. Alam ko, maraming collagen in the market, but please find the best collagen. Why do we have the best collagen in the market? It is in powder form. Alam nyo ba na ang liquid collagen, no? Hindi siya maganda kasi very, ano siya, pag liquid kasi ang collagen, mas madaling ma-degrade. And usually, pag liquid yan, mas prone siya sa sa contaminants. So, para hindi siya magkaroon ng pag prone kasi sa contaminants ang isang collagen dahil nasa liquid form, no? So nagkakaroon ng yeast, nagkakaroon ng molds, amag. So anong ginagawa ng mga company para mawala yon? They're trying to put what? Preservatives. So pag may preservative, yung ginagamit mong collagen ngayon, ano nangyayari? Nadidegrade, no? Nawawala yung efficacy niya. That's why we put it in powder form para pwede mong ilagay plain or maybe ilagay mo sa lahat ng beverage mo or even your food, no? Yun ang napakaganda sa ating collagen, and it uses bovine. So bovine source siya. Bakit bovine? Ano yung bovine, Janet? Bovine is that collagen na nanggaling sa cow. Bakit ginamit yon? Because that is similar to our natural collagen. And ano bang effect pag meron kang collagen? You know, as early as mid-20s, nawawala yung collagen natin sa katawan, right? Or nadideplete. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng hair fall, nagkakaroon tayo ng sagging skin or wrinkles or even brittle nails. Pero it's more than that. Collagen can do a lot. It is good to support your joints and muscles. It is good for muscle recovery. Kasi yung collagen natin has this very powerful ingredients. Ano yon? Very powerful yan at tatlo. You have velocitol, you have polinol, you have aprisplex, no? Yung velocitol na yan, maganda siya to facilitate yung ating muscle. To make sure na hindi tumutunog-tunog ang yung mga muscle at hindi ka very prone na madali kang mabalian, no? Also, yung polinol para saan yan? That would protect your body from what? From chronic inflammation. Kaya very powerful. Kaya ngayon namamayagpag ang collagen, di ba? May collagen shampoo, collagen conditioner, collagen coffee, collagen lotion, collagen soap, lahat na may collagen. And isa pa, alam nyo kung anong powerful dahil sa polinol na yan, na ingredient natin, aside from yung ipoprotect niya from inflammation, it also could assist you in your cognitive function. And very important, kasi ang cognitive function natin, yun yung responsible kung paano ka, that is responsible for you to be able to solve a problem. Your thinking, for you to be able to reason out, no? Yan, for you to be able to think properly, yan ang responsible dyan. Kaya kailangan natin ng collagen. And of course, we have this another powerful ingredients, the aprisplex. Ano yon? This is clinically proven. Para saan? To improve our joints, to improve our muscle function and mobility, to make sure na nakakalakad tayo ng maayos. So very powerful yan. Magkano ang collagen? 27.95. Magkano sa iba? 79.96. That alone, these three products alone, you will be saving 174.95. Meaning you are saving 70 to 80% pag kinumpare mo sa competitor natin. How good is that? Di ba? Pinapalakpakan po yan. Di ba? Yan. So, tatlong product pa lang yan. And when we save that, we always say, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Para mo na rin kinita yung na-save mo. Bakit? Yung savings mo, pwede mong gamitin sa iba. Napambili mo ng not only the products, pero yung ibang pangangailangan mo. That is what Live Good is all about. Live Good is a revolution. What makes it a revolution? It is the value. Your value for money. Na ngayon, hindi na kailangang magpaka-gastos ng malaki para lang maging healthy ka. Yan. Okay. So, we are just talking about health and wellness, pero hindi lang ito yung products natin. Ngayon, didiinan ko pa, no? Kasi mga products natin, talagang very powerful. I will just like to cite one pack na very powerful. Ito yung pinili ko kasi It is being shipped globally at the same time, free shipping siya. 6 na products, 99.95, and very powerful yung products natin, essential. When you say essential, kailangan mo yan in your everyday routine ng buhay mo for you to be able to function well, to work well, to think well. Okay, so number 1, we have the bioactive multivitamin for men and women. Magkaiba ang multivitamin ng men and women. Why? Because men and women have different physiological need. Ang men, kailangan niya ng selenium. Okay? For what? For their prostate health. Ang babae, kailangan niya ng iron. For what? To compensate their menstrual loss. This is for overall well-being. No? Yan. So, it is responsible ang daming nutrients and minerals niyan. We also have D3K2, the sunlight in a bottle vitamin natin. Lalo na sa mga andyan na hindi nasisinaga ng araw o ayaw magpa-araw dahil masakit, well, this is the best supplement for you. D3K2. The K2 is what's make it powerful dahil sinusupport niya yung D3, no? So pag kulang ka sa sinag ng araw, nako-compromise yung immune system mo. Kaya kami po dito, no, especially sa winter, ang very prone po kami sipon, magkaubo dahil hindi ko kami nasisinaga ng araw. Now, what's more good about our D3K2 is also pwede sa weight management, pwede for bone support, no? Ang daming function po niyan. Yan. And we also have testimony pala ng D3K2, sabi ng anak ko, mama, maganda sa akin para akong laging maliksi. Dahil pinadalan ko siya last month, no? She was so happy at maganda pati daw yung tulog niya. No? We also have ultra magnesium complex, very powerful ang ultra magnesium. Ang magnesium is responsible for 300 chemical reactions in the body. Pag sinabi natin responsible sa 300 chemical reactions in the body, alam niyo po, katawan niyo yan, nagkakaroon tayo ng imbalance sa katawan natin. So it is very important that you really have to, alam niyo, pakiramdaman mo ang katawan natin. Because once you lack magnesium, it will result to a more serious illnesses like digestive na problema mo in your digestive area. Ano pa? High blood pressure, anxiety, cardiovascular health, diabetes and all. So kung kayo po ay halimbawa masama ang pakiramdam ka, tagpa-check up ka, wala naman kami nakita. Una i-reseta sa iyo magnesium. Kaya wag mo nang antayin, kahit na wala pang reseta sa iyo, it is very important. I remember sinabi one time sa na si Lisa, si Lisa Goodkin, ang ating product of education. Biro nyo, she speaks wellness and yet deficient pa siya sa magnesium. Nag-exercise na siya, kinocompute niya ang kinakain niya, and yet deficient pa siya sa magnesium. How much more kung tayo na hindi nag-exercise? How much more kung tayo na hindi natin kinokontrol ang kinakain natin? So, think about that. We all need magnesium. Okay? Ayan. So we also have organic super greens. Nabanggit na natin yan kanina. And itong organic super reds, nako, very powerful po yan, no? Very powerful. Kasi alam nyo po, we have this molecule in our body. We call it the nitric oxide. So habang nagkakaedad din po tayo, nagmamature na lang, wag na nagkakaedad, no? Okay, so habang nagmamature tayo, nadideplete yung ating nitric oxide. So, ang nangyayari, pag nadideplete yung nitric oxide mo, syempre, yung blood flow mo sa katawan, affected din. No? So, meron tayo nitong super reds wherein merong mga fruits and vegetables na it would promote or it would help improve our nitric oxide. No? Itong super reds, we have beets and also, pag na-improve yung iyong nitric oxide, syempre magiging regular yung pag-flow ng blood mo at the same time sa heart, no? Very powerful yan. So, ibig sabihin, pag normal din lahat, pag-flow ng blood mo into your blood vessels, what does it promote? It promotes as well, again, cognitive function. Ngayon, yung mga products natin, if you notice, ang fino-focus is more on the brain. Bakit? Kasi napakahalaga ng brain natin and our gut as well. So our brain is the main organ natin na, nako, pag yan ang bumigay, I tell you, wala na. Kasi, especially the cognitive function, yun nga, uulitin ko, yan ang responsible for reasoning, responsible for problem solving, responsible for thinking. So pag yan na ang bumigay, nako, that's why we need to take care of our brain, no? So, yan. Brain and for the heart. Although ang main po na purpose ng ating super greens is the heart. So, for everyone who have a heart, maganda pong i-recommend ang ating super reds. And also, we have the factor for anti-inflammatory. Ano naman na nagagawa ng factor 4 na yan? It is an anti-inflammation product wherein not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 na powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients ang meron dyan na karaniwan binibili mo separately. And why do we have also to take this product? Kasi mostly, or the root cause ng lahat ng sakit is inflammation, pamamaga, at kadalasan nangyayari ang pamamaga sa loob ng katawan. Now, because we have these very powerful ingredients, garlic, CoQ10, no? And garlic, CoQ10, fish oil, curcumin. So, very powerful siya to decrease or to prevent inflammation sa katawan natin. So, wag nyo nang antayin na merong pamamaga. This will also be a part of your routine. Gaya po ng sinabi ko, itong mga products na andito are essential products. So, for only $99.99, free shipping globally, basta nasa 230 countries yan, pwede po yan, no? Ang ating product. So, very powerful. Ngayon, eto, magsasample tayo ng another one para lang mai-compare. 7 products. Dinagdagan lang ng aminos yan. $99.95, pero ito hindi na free shipping. I-compare mo sa isang product na ang katapat ay super greens lang. Magkano? $99.95. Kaya po sinasabi natin, once you see Live Good, you cannot unsee it. Bakit? Because of that price. No, we have the highest quality at the lower price. Kayo po ba pag nakakita ng ganyan na, ayan, yung isang product, $99.95 versus yung product natin, $99.95, sa tingin mo, babalik ka pa or bibilin mo yan? USDA approved, GMP certified, third-party tested, may 90-day money-back guarantee, ipagpapalit mo. Kaya po natin sinasabi that Live Good is the company that makes a lot of sense. That once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Wala hong hype yan. Dahil ang mga products natin are very amazing and powerful. And I would like to have a testament on that. Ang dami ko pong testimony dyan. Especially the factor 4. Ako po, the best yan. Diyan po nag-improve ang sciatic ako. Ngayon, kung ganito na nag-uusap tayo, 1 hour, 30 minutes, pag tayo ko, dati hindi ako nakakatayo. But with Factor 4 and with the, actually the wellness pack, masasabi ko na Live Good is life-changing. And I'm not even talking about the affiliate program yet. Sa products alone, solve ka na. Diba? Ito pa, hydration amplifier for electrolytes. No? Nadideplete po ang electrolytes natin everyday. Baka hindi kayo aware. Because of stress, kung ikaw ay umiinom, because you sweat ang dami. And alam nyo kung ano ang problema pag depleted ang electrolyte mo, mainitin ang ulo mo. And of course, pati yung skin mo dry. Pati yung pag-iisip mo, lagi kang nakasinghal, no? Kasi lagi kang galit. Kasi nagkakaroon ng disbalance sa katawan mo because your body is not functioning well. Now, using this lemonade hydration amplifier, it would help you regulate your heart rate, tutulungan ka niya. It will keep your blood pressure stable and you will also have a clearer skin and you will also balance your cell pH levels. And alam niyo po, it is not okay na yan, basta uminom ka ng maraming tubig, na-increase na. No, because we also need sodium, no? And it is not enough that you drink water. Bakit? Ang water nga, dinadaanan stages hindi naman na nanggagaling yung tubig natin sa, di ba? Very risky na nga ang uminom ng tap water. It's not even healthy. Kaya nga pinaprocess pati yung tubig. Kaya nga merong mineral water. Merong pa yung ibang water distilled. Yung distilled water nga para sa yun, sasakyan, di ba? So you cannot be rest assured that even if you're drinking water, you will healthy. You need something that would hydrate you. And this is lemonade flavor at i-improve pa po ito, no? Yan. We also have, yan, binanggit ko na po yung protein, no? Ito yung kanina is 15 days po kasi this one is the new packaging na good for 1 month. And of course, okay, sa mga hindi pa nakakita, alam ko Ma'am Eden, tatawanan mo naman to, no? Ayan, itong lean natin, no? We have this powerful product na tinatawag nating Lean BCIF. BCIF means Body Composition Improved Formula. This is good for burning fats without losing your muscles. I wouldn't say na ito ay weight loss product, but it helps you lose weight. Nakita nyo naman dyan yung picture ko, no? Testimony ko yan. Para akong yoyo. Hindi po ako buntis dyan at hindi din po ako bagong panganak. Okay? So, because of lean, it helped me kahit na pag nagwe-weight ka, no? Hindi man drastic yung weight, yung paglulus mo ng weight, pero nakikita mo pumuporma yung katawan mo because ang function nito is it burns fat without losing your muscle. So nag-shape yung katawan mo, mapapansin mo parang, uy, ba't nagli-lift yung skin ko? Because of the lean. Because of the 4 powerful ingredients na caralluma, chadebugrade, berberine, glucomannan. Ayan. So, yung caralluma, that would expand in your stomach kaya hindi ka gutumin. So, gone are the days na naghahanap ka ng food in the middle of the night, no? Chadebugrade, ayan, I don't know how to pronounce it, chadebugrade. So maganda po ito, ginagamit po ito ng Indian tribe pag naghahunt po sila, no? Na, halimbawa, buong araw, para hindi sila magutom, kinakain nila yan. So meron pong ganyang product para hindi tayo madaling magutom, nasusuppress yung hunger natin. And we have berberine, yung Ozempic in nature. Ang Ozempic is a drug, di ba? So ito, Ozempic in nature na ingredient niya. Yung Ozempic kasi, it is a drug, ginagamit yung sa mga excessive, yung weight, ini-inject talaga. But since may berberine ito, that would also help us lose weight, no? And of course, yung ating glucomannan. So very powerful. Masasabi ko that Lean BCIF is my new PFF. No? Yan. Okay, Shilajit, Himalayan Shilajit and Organic Sea Moss. Very powerful ito. Again, for brain function, hormonal balance, and support. Of course, it could boost your sexual health and fertility and improve cholesterol and heart health. Maganda po ito. It has been used, no, in ages sa Ayurveda medicine. Yung Ayurveda is more on the alternative medicine. So ginagamit po ito. Okay, so it is also good for anti-aging. So there are a lot of brands ng Shilajit in the market. In fact, meron yung isa na nag-testimony, 93 years old siya, but she looks so young na para siyang mukhang 30 years old. So imagine, no, pag nag-age ka ng ganyan, and then very alert pati yung cognitive function mo. Wow, that is epic, di ba? Ang maganda sa Shilajit natin, syempre laging may edge tayo, may lamang tayo compared sa iba, no? Meron tayong Sea Moss. Yan, galing yan sa Canada and very powerful din po yan. Again, for those function na binanggit ko kanina at the price of 14.95. Yan. And very important din na kailangan nating mag-cleanse at mag-detox because hindi natin alam kung yung kinakain natin ay safe. Madalas, kumakain tayo ng fast food, mabilis na pagkain. And nako-compromise uli ang health natin kasi ang daming trans fat dyan. Uy, masarap ang Jollibee, masarap ang McDonald's, masarap ang Popeyes. Pero, are you sure healthy ba yan sa katawan mo? So, we need to detox para hindi naiipon yung toxin sa katawan natin. No? So we also have this and we take it before bedtime para mag-bind yung toxins. And then in the morning, then eliminate mo na siya. Okay, very powerful to support natural detox for your energy. And of course, it boosts your clearer skin. Napaka-importante yung skin din natin. No? Kaya yung mga iba, tingin nila dry, they try to use different kinds of skin regimen. Ako po, kulang ka lang sa hydration. Kaya very good, or sa kinakain natin din. No? So it's very good for us to detox. Yan. Okay, so there are a lot more, no? Pero hindi ko na po babanggitin lahat. And in fact, na-discuss na rin ni Coach Michelle kanina, no? So, ngayon, didiinan ko lang, no, that Live Good is the Amazon of social marketing. In fact, we will be the Amazon of multi-level marketing. Yes, we will be the next Amazon. We just started with health and wellness, pero alam niyo po ang plano ni Live Good? Ang plano po ni Live Good is to put everything in our membership. Okay? So Live Good launched with health and well-being products dahil sa nangyari during the pandemic because of COVID and the elevated awareness of preventative healthcare. Meaning, it is very important that we have to be proactive than reactive. Dahil naniniwala tayo that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Okay? Ayan. Also, Live Good will be your one-stop online wholesale superstore. Bakit? Kasi nga, ang plano natin is not only with wellness, and take note, para sa mga bago po dito, hindi po kami health and wellness product. Much more, hindi po kami collagen company, hindi po kami organic coffee company, hindi po kami magnesium company. We are a membership club. And dahil ang intention ni Live Good is to put everything under membership, just like Amazon, we will be putting other industries like travel. In the future, we will be putting probably hotel or airfare, di ba? Yan. Also, in the works na po ang household products natin. We could also have skincare. In fact, na-delay lang, but Dr. Ryan said na hopefully mag-launch ito before the end of the year. And it is an industry na tinatapo natin because skincare is a billion-dollar industry din, no? Lahat tayo vain and we really love to take care of our skin, di ba? So kadalasan kaya namamayagpag yan, paunahan yan ng mga products, no? Pero syempre, since we promote health and we make sure that malinis, herbicide-free at hindi toxic, hindi harmful, so we could be rest assured that we will have the best skincare products at an affordable price. Yan, with the highest quality. So yung skincare natin, 4 yan. Toner, moisturizer, hydration, and then VitaGlow. Ayan, ang dadagdagan pa yata ng isang product ni Dr. Ryan. No? Yan. Of course, itatap din natin ang water filter industry. And much more online services. And marami pa. Again, we are a membership club that pays, no? So imagine niyo na lang si Amazon. Kung si Amazon naglagay ng affiliate program ngayon, no? Siyempre, ang dami sanang kumita, pero kung ngayon siya maglalagay, hindi na. Kasi lahat na member ng Amazon. Ilang members yung andyan, di ba? So, dito, well, congratulations dahil tayo po ang early adopters and we are just getting started. We haven't scratched the surface yet. We just started the engine. So congratulations po sa lahat ng mga observers po dito, sa lahat po ng mga bago. You are not too late. You are in the right time. You are the right place at the right time. Yeah? Yan. Okay. So eto pa, didiinin ko pa, why do you have to join Live Good? Why do you have to be a part of our membership club? Again, because we are the membership club that pays. They pay us. They will pay you and me. We have amazing products. More to come. We have 27 products ngayon, but we will be having more. Number 2, incredible wholesale pricing. Minention ko na yan kanina. Wala tayong price gouging. Okay? We have a 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. Kung sakali na hindi naman nangyayari, na kung sakali na hindi mo nagustuhan yung product, kung sakaling hindi ka happy sa product, sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money if it does not work for you. So meron tayong 90-day empty bottle money back guarantee. No questions asked. Ibalik mo lang yung empty bottle, i-refund yung pera sa'yo o yung binayad mo. Number 4, we have nothing to buy or sell here, no? If you will be a part of our membership, hindi ka required na magbenta. Ulitin ko, hindi ka required na bumili. You could buy 1, 2, or more, or huge, okay lang. Hindi ka bibili, okay lang. Magbenta ka, okay lang. Hindi ka magbenta, okay lang. So it's very easy, very smooth. No auto shipping. Sounds familiar, di ba? Usually, the multi-level marketing, ano ang required? You have to purchase monthly. You have to get your team purchase monthly. for you to maintain your rank, for you to ano pa, for you to earn your commissions. But with Live Good, done na. Gone are the days. Di ba? Exciting, di ba? Ayan, pinapalakpakan yan. Ayan. Okay. So, ano pa? Very powerful compensation plan. Napapunta na po tayo. Alam niyo po, wala pong hyping. Napakasimple lang po ng ating compensation plan na pag-usapan natin later on. No? And number 6, congratulations. You are the right place at the right time. The question is, will you be the right person for this company? Depende. If you are that person who wants to help people, if you are that person who wants to be healthy, if you are that person who want to make a difference, then you will be the right person for this company because we are mission-driven and we are vision-driven. Yan. Okay, so papunta na tayo sa ating way to become a member and an affiliate. So again, be in the learning mode kasi ang pag-uusapan na po dito is, okay, Janet, dami mo nang binanggit. Natutuwa na ako, masaya na ako, I'm amazed. Parang it's so good to be true. Pero gusto ko nang mag-member. Okay, ganito yan. You could be a part of our membership club in 2 ways. Be a member or be an affiliate. When you want to be a member, you just want to experience the goodness, the highest quality of the products, be a member for only 9.95 per month dahil subscription-driven po tayo. Yes, and what do you get? Affordable products, highest quality. Yan ang makukuha nyo. No? Okay, only 9.95 per month or kung gusto mong tapusin dahil, nako, ngayon, ready na akong maging healthy. Na-realize ko, Janet, na kailangan pala maging healthy. Okay, you could do the 1 year, 99.95. Meron kang 20% discount, best value. But here's more. Ito, pwede kang mag-join as an affiliate because merong affiliate program na naka-attach sa membership namin. And when you become an affiliate, you will have a global business. And you heard it right, global business in 230 countries. For only, Janet, may negosyo na ako pag nag-affiliate ako. Of course, Janet, baka naman mahal. Magkano? $49.95 or $139.95. It's your choice. $49.95, ano ang breakdown yan? $40 one-time, lifetime, forever. Kung sa love walang forever, dito may forever. Yung 40 one-time fee mo, forever na yan. Plus 9.95 monthly subscription yan. First month subscription. Ngayon, Janet, gusto ko, nakafocus ako sa negosyo ko eh. Kasi sabi mo, may negosyo dyan. Gusto ko, nakafocus na. Okay, then do the $139.95. I-convert nyo na lang po yan, $140 for a global business. Global, hindi local. I-convert nyo yan, roughly around 6,000 to 8,000. Saan ka makakakita ng negosyo na global na 8,000 ang puhunan? Sige nga po. Food cart business, magkano ang food cart? Magkano ang pag-process ng papeles, ng mga, ano yan, business permit, sanitary permit, and all? Okay, sari-sari store. Anong itsura ng sari-sari store mo for 10,000 or 8,000? Alog-alog pa, right? Okay. Ano pa ang maisip nyo? You would think of a franchise business wherein you get to earn, you get to shell out millions. Ito pwede nyo maging franchise business. Why? Because we are in global countries. Huh? Yes, why? Pwede maging global business ito. Janet, ang sinabi mo ulit? Franchise? Yes. Bakit? Kasi bawat person, because we have a team building structure, bawat tao na pag-sharean mo ng business will like be your franchise. And we are using the power of leverage. Ano yung leverage? Leverage is multiplying your time and effort through others. Dahil nga, meron tayong powerful team building structure. Sa bawat tao na ma-sponsoran mo is parang isang franchise mo. Yes. For only $139.95. Done ka na. Now, kung medyo tight ka pa sa budget, you could start with the $49.95 but make sure that you have to pay the $9.95 monthly para ma-maximize mo yung compensation plan. Okay? Yan. So, excited? Yeah? Okay. Ang gagawin nyo lang, if you already have the money, then you just have to get back to the person na nag-share ng link sa'yo. You get back to that person na nagdala sa'yo dito sa Zoom because he will be your sponsor or she or he will be your sponsor at i-guide ka po niya. And of course, we are here to help you. Ganon kaganda ang industriyang ito. We leverage on the Zoom trainings. No? Dinala ka niya and we do the talking. That's how we do it. We work as a team. O, di ba? Unlike pag traditional business, okay, pwede naman mag-traditional business ka, pero para po sa mga gustong magnegosyo na wala pang traditional business na kailangan ng hundreds of thousands and millions, this is the best time for you to start. And this is the business that you have to start because you have a low start capital, low entry, walang product packages, walang monthly na kailangan mong bilhin. $49.95 or $139.95. Diba? Maganda o napakaganda? Diba? Naku, ang daming pumalakpak. Salamat po, Ma'am Caridad. Parang tuwan-tuwa ka po. Okay. Ayan, eto pa, no? Okay. So, done ka na. Nag-member ka na. Okay, gusto ko yung affiliate program kasi may negosyo. Okay, alam nyo po ba na ang kitaan dito? You will earn it not in one way, but in 7 ways. Yes, you heard it right. 7 ways, 7 powerful ways. Pero mag-deep dive tayo dito sa first 3. Dito tayo mag-concentrate ngayon sa una, pangalawa at pangatlo. Because once you made that, nako, automatic na. Yung 4, 5, 6, 7, it will also follow. Okay? Kaya mag-deep dive tayo sa 3 buckets. Okay, number 1. Yan, we have the weekly fast start commission or the fast money. The reason why we call it the fast money because it will be given to you weekly. Okay, how easy it is to earn the fast start commission. Okay, ganito yan. For every person na mapag-sharean mo nitong membership club natin, na mapag-sharean mo nitong affiliate program natin, for every person who joins you, $49.95. Ikaw po na nag-share, you will have $25 fast start commission, 1,400. Malaking bagay na yon. Magkano ang minimum wage sa Pilipinas? Right? 600. So 2 days na. Nag-makeup ka pa, nagbihis ka pa, babili ka pa ng ano, magpapabang ka pa, na-traffic ka pa, nausukan ka pa, na-late ka pa. Diba? But here, you will do it at the comfort of your home. O kaya, kahit saan, anywhere, once you have your cell phone, you could do this business. Kahit nakapajama ka, nakashort ka, o kaya nakapantulog ka, you could do this business. Shinare mo, dinala mo sa Zoom, nag-enroll, done. You get your $25 next week. So, pag ikaw ay very influential na tao, yayayain mo yung tropa mo, uy, may negosyo ako na pagaganda, tara dito. Okay, then you have referred 10 affiliates every week. 10 times 25, that makes $250. US dollars. Okay? Makukuha mo siya next week. May cut-off tayo. Ganun lang siya kasimple. And here's more. Siyempre, hawaan yan. Tropa-tropa, di ba? Kung kayo ay magka-tropa-tropa sa kalokohan, ito na, magtropa din kayo sa negosyo. Ang maganda, meron tayong ranking dito. So, kung yung tropa mo, okay, o 10. Okay, so yung tropa mo, syempre, ilan yan? O sige, mag-business tayo. Ikaw, mag-ano ka ng isang team mo, ha? Unahan tayo kung sino. Ganun di ba? Usually, ganun naman to, tropa. Ngayon, mag-umpisa tayo ng unrank. Ngayon, yung first rank mo is bronze. Paano lang mag-bronze? O sige, may tropa ako dito, yung basketball. Di ba meron kayong mga body, may Zumba body ka, may drinking body, may shopping body. So, ito kukunin ko yung shopping body ko. Imbis na mag-shopping siya, magnegosyo na lang siya. Okay, 2. Ngayon, pag na-share mo sa 2, congratulations, bronze ka. Ano naman ang benefit mo pag bronze ka? Of course, bawi mo na yung capital mo, right? So, return on capital. Pangalawa na benefit mo, syempre, yung dalawa na niyaya mo, sasabihin nila, bawi na yung capital mo, baka ako gusto ko din, bawin yung capital ko, magbo-bronze din ako. So once na nag-bronze sila, di ba, meron silang $25, di ba, 50, bawi na rin sa capital. Ikaw po, meron ka pang 10% doon sa in-sponsoran nila. Kaya ako po sinasabi na law of leverage. No? You multiply your time and effort through others. no? Ang maganda sa weekly fast start natin, as you rank up, lumalalim ang fast start commission mo. Now, once you reach diamond, hanggang 10 levels ka. Okay? So, yun po yung sinasabi ko, na we have a team building structure dito. Nagkakatulungan tayo because we work as a team. Hindi kagaya pag nagninegosyo ka, pag nagkasakit ka, close na yung store mo. Hindi kagaya pag halimbawang dahil may ginagawa ka ibang business, pinamahala mo sa iba, pag kinupitan ka, wala na. Here, walang ganun because you have a teamwork, no? You get to work as a team. Yan. Okay, so are you liking it? No, hindi lang ikaw dito, no? This business, you are not by yourself but for yourself. Yun ang maganda sa Live Good. Live Good is a business not by yourself but for yourself. Okay? Kakatulungan tayo dito. Okay. Yan. So ganun na, ganun lang po kasimple. Huwag niyo na kung i-overthink yan. Basta every person may $25 ka. Pag nag-rank up ka, lumalalim ang fast start commission mo hanggang 10 levels deep. Depende kung anong rank mo. Meaning, once you rank up, the more na lumalalim ang overriding commission mo. Ganun lang siya. No? Ganun lang kasimple. Now, matrix commission. Ngayon, ang team building structure natin is 2x12. Power of 2 tayo. No? Hindi po tayo, wala po tayong left and right. It's just a structure. No? It's a pyramid structure, and we know that even in the corporate world, we have that structure, no? So, pyramid is just a structure. Yan ang tatandaan nyo, no? Parang sa organization, you have your CEO, you have your COO, you have your marketing, no? Your HR, so ganun din dito. But dito, yung structure natin is that power by 2, yung first level mo is 2, yung second level mo is 4. Third level mo is 8. So, we have 2 Yung enrollment tree is naka-base sa rank mo, and then yung matrix commission is naka-base sa matrix tree mo. Ngayon, 2x12 yan, lahat. Tatandaan nyo ha. Once na nag-enter kayo sa Live Good, as an affiliate, meron po kayong tinatawag na matrix tree. Kayo po yung nasa itaas. Ngayon, when you sponsor people or share this with people, pagdating sa matrix 3, parang you will have your 2 people get on board doon dito sa first level nyo, which will be your front line. Ngayon, meron ka pang pangatlo. So, dito sa matrix 3 po ninyo, the third person you will sponsor will go to the person who is already under there. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Natutulungan niya yung nasa first level, at the same time, natutulungan ka rin uli niyan, no? Ngayon, paano mo makukuha ang matrix commission? Okay, for every person, di ba, nagsusubscribe tayo monthly. For every person na nagsusubscribe ng 9.95 per month, di ba, binibigyan ka ni Live Good ng 2.5%, which is 25 cents. Maliit lang, 14 pesos. Pero makakapulot ka ba ng 14 pesos? Di ba, hindi? Ngayon, it gets even better kasi nga, nagkakatulungan kayo dyan. Doon sa first level, 2 lang. Hindi 3. Hindi 4, 2 lang, no? For ayan, until ma-reach mo yung 12 level, no? 8,192 members yan. Yung 2x12 matrix, ganito po yan. Spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come first serve basis. And we are talking about the matrix commission. Iba yung enroller tree kasi doon naka-base yung ranking mo, no? So, the matrix tree, the matrix commission is based on your matrix tree. Ito ang good news, no? The matrix commission is also your retirement income. And when we speak of retirement income, meaning it will develop over time. When we speak of if the retirement income, hindi ibig sabihin na after 60 saka mo makukuha yung income mo na yan. For as long as there are people who are subscribing at my 0.25 cents, you will get this on your 3rd month. Ito yung potential income ng matrix commission, no? Although, pag napuno yung 12 level, ilang tao na andyan? 8,192. And when you have 8,192 times 0.25, then ang potential niyan is 2,047 dollars. Again, the matrix commission is a retirement income. It will develop over time. And take note, ang isang tatandaan nyo sa matrix commission, this is the slow way to build your business. Kasi may fast way tayo. So wag nyo kong tambayan itong matrix commission kasi mabagal or it will develop over time. Ang tambayan po natin the fast way kasi the moment na ginawa mo yung fast way, bibilis yung slow way of doing it. Okay? Though for purposes of illustration, ito yung ang tawag nito, potential income, yung possibility na pwede mong kitain pag na-fill up na yung buong matrix mo, pag napuno na yung matrix mo. Okay? Ang good news is kahit hindi puno yung matrix mo, kung may lumabas ng tao dun sa matrix mo, bayad yan. Isa, 25 cents. Dalawa, 50 cents. Apat, $1. It's okay. Hindi kailangan mapuno ang matrix para makuha mo yung commission. Okay, so ito yung potential income ranging from 2,047.50 when you are unranked, bronze and silver 4,095.50, gold and platinum 8,191.50, and 16,383.50 when you are a diamond. Again, wala pong hype ito. And again, conditional po ito, potential income. Yung posibleng pwede mong kitain pag napuno yung matrix. And I want to stress that para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng miscommunication. Again, this is the slow way to build your business. The fast way, which is dito kayo makikinig, this is very important dahil bibigyan natin ng attention ito, no? The matching bonus. This is the most exciting part of the compensation plan, the matching bonus. Because the matching bonus will open, it will open your gateway, no? Yung pag-sponsor mo ng tao will open your gateway for the matching bonus. Paano ito? Okay. Ang matching bonus, this is how it works. Every person na mai-sponsoran mo will open the gateway for the matching bonuses. Paano yon? Okay. So, ganito po yan. Whatever you personally enrolled na tao is a potential way to earn the matching bonus. No? Paano? Okay, di ba magbe-build ka? Nagbe-build din sila. So, you will have your matrix income, may sarili kang matrix income, sila din may sariling matrix income. Dahil may matrix 3 din sila. Lahat tayo may sariling matrix 3. Although we are placed in a big matrix 3, pero may sarili din tayong matrix 3 na doon tayo magtutulungan. No? So, kung inisponsoran mo siya directly, at merong matrix 3 din yan, merong matrix income, ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, whatever matrix income ng yung direct, 50% of that, mamatch yan ni LevCode. Mamatch yan. Okay? Tatapatan, hindi po paparisan na mamatch yan. Okay? So, it gets even better kasi bukod doon sa na-sponsoran mo. And by the way, you could sponsor as many as you want. You could sponsor unlimitedly. So, limitless. Okay? So, it gets even better kasi bukod doon sa na-sponsoran mo, eto maganda, meron pa tayong generational bonus. Mag-uumpisa ang generational matching bonus natin when you hit the silver rank. Because once you hit the silver rank, meron kang additional 10% on your first and second generation. And then when you hit gold, meron ka uling additional generational bonus on hanggang third generation mo. So, ang first generation mo will be your personally enrolled. Yung second generation mo is yung in-enroll ng direct mo. Your third, parang apo mo na yon, no? Okay. So, ganun din pag gold, platinum, diamond. Ito nga yung maganda. Once you hit the diamond rank, you will earn up to 5th generation. So, it is possible that when you hit diamond, isang tao lang pwede kang kumita multiple times. Ganun kaganda po, no? Ngayon, para mas makita nyo kung paano, bibigyan ko po kayo ng sample ng isang affiliate na nag-earn. Nanggaling po ito sa back office kasi tayo very transparent. So, once na binigay yung commission sa atin, pinapakita paano natin kinita yung commission na yan. So, ganito ang power ng matching bonus. Ito po, merong 7 dito na tao na in-enroll niya personally. Meaning, direct in-enroll niya. Okay? So, syempre, yung in-enroll niya na yon, masipag din. Nag-accumulate ng kanyang matrix income. So, ito yung matrix income, sabihin natin na kayo po yun, no? Nag-enroll ng isa. And then yung matrix income ng direct po ninyo is 295. Ang sinasabi sa matching bonus, 50% ng matrix income ng direct nyo tatapatan ni Livgod. Hindi po babawasin doon sa ano ha, dinirect nyo, tatapatan ni Livgod at ibibigay sa iyo. So lahat ng andito sa column ng matching bonus, yan po ay para sa inyo. Okay, so 50% of 295.25. 50% ng 264.50 is 132.25. 50% ng 242 na matrix income ng direct mo is 121 para po sa inyo yan. So, ibig sabihin, it is possible na mga hindi mo kakilala and yet you are earning. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? The more directs that you have, the higher your matching bonus would be. Matatakot ka ba na isi-share to sa taong kasing galing mo o mas magaling sa'yo? Hindi. Kasi the moment na shinare mo, you will have your matching bonus. Right? Ito ngayon ang good news. No? Meron kang silver sa second generation mo. Bakit? Possible na yung person na enrolled mo, nag-rank up na. Naging silver na siya. No? Ang rank mo, kunwari, diamond na. So, nandun siya sa silver second generation mo. Ano sinasabi? Pag silver at gold, meron kang 10%. So, ito yung matrix commission ngayon ng iyong nasa silver second generation. So, 10% of that, bibigyan ka ni company. O yun, meron uling isang silver. Nasa second generation mo, 10% uli para sa'yo. Ito, may isa uli. No? 10% para sa'yo. O meron ka pang platinum on your first generation na possible na yun pa rin yung direct mo kasi nagra-rank up, nagsisipag, no? So, ibig sabihin nito, for one person, pwede kang bayaran multiple times. Depende sa rank mo. So, the higher you rank up, the higher your matching bonus will be. That is why the matching bonuses will really change your life. And to illustrate that, para hindi kayo malito, no? The matrix commission will help you pay your bills. But the matching bonus, that will change your life. Yun na ang pinakasimpleng definition ko dyan. Kaya, ano nang gusto mo? Yung pambayad lang ng bills o yung makakapagpabago ng buhay? And true enough, alam nyo po, hindi ho kami nag-hype dito. We are not telling you that the system works. What we are telling you right now is how the system works. Bakit namin sinabi na, hindi na namin sinabi nag-work yung sistema? Dahil ang dami nang nakagawa, marami nang may resulta. No? Hindi lang po lahat nagpo-post, but the system really works. Ang tinuturo lang po natin, how it works. How it will work for you. Okay? Yan. Okay, so ito na. Fourth way to earn retail commissions. Paano yan? You are also given a retail site. No? Doon sa binayaran nyo, by the way, na 49.90 or 139, di ba wala tayong entry packs. Pero ginawan kayo ni Livgod ng napakagandang website wherein you could opt to sell the products kung gusto mo lang. Halimbawa, may mga tao, nasasala lahat kung may mga tao na ayaw mag-member. Pero Janet, gusto kong subukan yung product Okay, send mo yung retail site mo na kasama dun sa binayaran mo sa 49.95. And then, okay, sige. Gusto mo subukan yung coffee? O, pumunta ka sa aking retail site, i-click mo lang yan, bibigay mo yung link mo. And then, mag-add to cart ka, parang may Amazon ka. And then, pay you. So, hindi ka namuhunan. O, di ba? So, hindi ka na namuhunan, hindi ka na nag-deliver, and kikita ka pa through retail commission. No? So, ito yung mga tao na customer, no? Paano ang kita dyan? Dahil very lean yung profit natin. Yung difference ng retail price at saka members price. Coffee, $28. Ang members price ang retail price nun is 28. Ang members price is 18. 28 minus 18, $10. So yung $10 maghahati kayo ni Livgod. Ganun lang siya, kasimple. No complication. And then pag nagre-rank up ka, syempre tumataas yung retail commission mo. Ngayon, ano ang ano ang maganda ng retail commission? Hindi ka namuhunan. I-highlight ko lang, hindi ka namuhunan, hindi ka nag-deliver, hindi ka namasahe para i-deliver dahil papupuntahin mo lang sila sa retail site mo and then mag-add to cart. Ngayon, Janet, pwede ba yan? Andito ako sa Canada, sinend ko yun, taga Hong Kong. Pwede ba? Of course! We have an international business. Ganun kaganda. Wala kang bit-bit-bit-bit. Diba? Diba? Yan. Okay. Number 5, customer acquisition bonuses. Ano naman to, Janet? Alam niyo po, ito sasabihin ko sa inyo, hindi natin pinagkakakitaan ang mga purchase ng downline natin. Okay? So pag nag-purchase yung downline mo, wala kang kita doon. Kasi nga, ang mission ni Live Good is for everyone to have an affordable product na hindi, without breaking your bank. Okay? Pero, very generous si Live Good dahil sa first purchase ng mga direct mo, and of course, depende sa rank mo, binibigyan ka ng customer acquisition bonuses dahil dinala mo sila dito. Okay? So, nakadepende na yan kung ano yung rank mo. You are given 10% and it will be paid out to you as a customer acquisition bonuses. Of course, following yung fast start commission mo and retail commission. So, depende uli sa rank mo yan on the first purchase. Okay? Ayan. So, ito pa, influencer bonuses. Okay, so for those people na nagpo-promote ng Live Good products natin in your social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, at kung saan nyo ipopromote yan. No? Once you reach the 2,500 sales per month, may additional kang 10%, making it 60%. At pag na-reach mo yung $50,000, additional 50%, making it 100%. Saan nanggaling yung 50%? But 100, yung retail commissions, right? Yan. Kaya po naging 100%. So, na-maximize natin yung pagiging influencer natin if you are using it. So, kapag sumasayaw ka, pinapakita mo yung product. Habang nagluluto ka, pinapakita mo sa TikTok. Like, you could just be innovative or creative, no? Just doing that. So, shout out sa mga influencers dyan or sa mga gumagawa ng content, kesa gumawa kayo ng mga katawa-tawang reels, okay, you could do this and you will have your content. Later on, you are hitting 2 birds with 1 stone kasi possible pa na ma-monetize yung social media account. And ang maganda niyan, habang meron kang social media presence, then napopromote mo yung Live Good business. Napakaganda, di ba? And of course, here's the thing, the most awaited part of the compensation plan, okay? Yung ating diamond bonus pool, diamond and crown diamond bonus pool. Who wants to be a diamond? I-declare nyo na ngayon. Alam nyo po, napakasarap maging diamond because as a diamond rank, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month, including all memberships. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, once you hit the diamond rank, no? You will share in 2% ng total company sales. So halimbawa, merong 15 million sales. Get that 2% and then paghahatian ng lahat ng diamonds dyan. And this is based on gross sales, not on profit sales. Kasi usually yung traditional, nagbe-base sila sa net sales. Kaya maliit na. But this one, based on gross sales. Diba? Yan. So example, 15 million. Kayo na ang mag-compute. $15 million ang sales. Divide nyo yung kunin nyo yung kunin nyo yung 2% noon times 2% and then i-divide nyo kung halimbawa merong 10 diamonds or not only 10, maybe 100 diamonds, then yun, no? So it gets better kasi ang sinabi ni Ben and Norther, we're hitting 3 to 5 million members. So ibig sabihin nun, the more members that we have, the higher will be our diamond bonus pool. And in the coming years, ito ang projected, na ang average diamond bonus pool would be $10,000. Dapat daw pag magsasabi ka ng $10,000, di ba? Para powerful. Aside from your fast start, yung matrix commission, matching bonuses, and your influencer bonuses, retail commissions. Okay? Yan. Okay, maraming salamat po sa mga gustong mag-diamond. Ayan, Coach Bernabe, Coach Eden, yan. Salamat po. Okay. And of course, meron pang isa. As a Crown Diamond, meron pa tayong Crown Diamond bonus pool wherein you will also share in a further 0.5% of all the sales every month. And you know, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, we already have 3 Crown Diamonds. We have Tim Miller, yung first Crown Diamond worldwide sa Live Good. And we are very proud to say that we also have one crown diamond here in the Philippines, our very own Coach Fernan Santiago, na talaga naman. Kaya po tayo nagkikita-kita every night dahil po sa kanyang Zoom subscription, no? Ayan. Or else, pag walang Zoom subscription, nako, baka putol-putol tayo every 45 minutes. Yan. And we also have one from Kazakhstan. No? So naghahati-hati dun sa 0.5% of all the sales every month on top of their fast start commissions, matrix commission, matching bonuses, generational bonuses, and all other bonuses pa ho. Di ba? Oh. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Caridad. And of course, my Sisi Pinky, yes, they want to be diamond, of course. Yan. So, are you curious kung paano ako, Janet? Sabi mo, pag diamond o pag habang nagra-rank up ka, tumataas or tumataas ang income ko. Okay, so ito, just a brief view of how you rank up. Napakadali lang naman eh, no? So you bronze when you enroll 2 people, active members or affiliate, you already are bronze. Ngayon, dagdagan mo lang ng isa ang bronze mo, and then, syempre, yung mga yan, gagayahin ka nila, hawaan lang ng energy yan eh. So, 3 bronze and total team of 20, kasama na yung mga sa ilalim mo, silver ka na agad. Eh kung malupit ka, dahil nga may community ka, o kaya yung tropa mo talagang isang, sabihin natin na isang batch, okay? Shinare mo sa 10 tao. Siyempre, yung 10 taong yun, mag-share din, di ba? Counted yun. If you have a team of 20, then silver rank ka. Siyempre, the more you rank up, the higher yung commissions mo. Then, gawin mo lang silver, yung 3 bronze mo. No? Having a team of 20, and then a total team of 100, then gold ka na. Ngayon, kung wala kang silver, pero dahil nga very influential ka, meron kang 30 personally direct, plus a total team of 100, gold ka pa rin. Ngayon, kung wala kang 30, Janet, parang ang hirap naman mag-30 direct yan. Okay, it's okay. Basta importante, meron kang ilang leg na active, kahit 5 yan. Go for the power of 5. And then lahat yan, merong grupo. So hawaan nga kayo, and then may total team of 100 ka, then gold ka na. Ngayon, next rank platinum, gawin mo lang gold yung 3 silver mo and a total team of 500. Or, kung ikaw ay napakalupit, dahil nga ang dami mong followers, meron kang na-sponsor ng 100 people and a total team of 500, pwede din. That's another option. So, ang daming ways to rank up. Kaya, ang pinakamaganda niya, it made it so simple and doable. Kaya po, yung mga heavy hitters, yung mga network marketers, yung mga builders natin, it's so easy for them to rank up. Because they already know how. Because nanggaling sila sa mahirap na company. Meron pang monthly purchases yan, no? But dito, wala. They are focused. Ang maganda sa business natin is because we don't have that monthly membership, monthly purchase requirement. Naka-focus tayo in doing the business. Right? So, pag naka-focus ka, syempre, hindi ka na-distract. You don't worry about calling your downline na, "Uy, bumili na kayo." Parang you are always at the mercy. No? Dito, nako po, ang gawin nyo, kung hindi ka maglala, go for the 1 year. It's like a set it and forget it approach. Bakit? O, nakadone ka na for 1 year, monthly. Tatawagan mo ba? Hindi. You will just support your team. Oh, okay, nag-rank up ka ngayon na next rank, dito tayo mag-focus. Let's go for the 90-day run. And you just keep on sharing. What are you going to share? You use the product and you share how good it is. Uy, ang ganda nitong product na to and my business. I-share ko sa'yo dahil mahal kita. Right? Ganun lang po yun. Okay, going back. Na-excite ako eh, no? When you want to rank up sa diamond, no? Yung gold mo, gawin mong platinum, and then a total team of 2,500, then you are a diamond, no? Sabi niyo, parang ang hirap naman yan. Akala mo lang po yun. Pero actually, hindi. Once you really work on as a team, this one would be easier. Meron ako nakausap kahapon. Ang dali lang po niyan, sabing ganun sa akin. And I also talk with somebody na talagang nagbi-build and one of top earners din. Sabi niya, talaga? Ganun kadali? Parang ganun sila. Sabi ko, Yeah. Parang it's too good to be true. Oo nga, it's too good to be true. Pero it's true eh. Di ba? Ang dami nang nag-rank up. Ayan na, patunay si Coach Fernan. And also the diamond leaders, no? And of course, kahit na hindi ka pa naka-diamond, platinum, gold, it's already life-changing. Gold is the sweet spot. Platinum is life-changing. Diamond is freedom. Ganun, no? Pag sweet spot, sinasabi natin, okay ka na. Earning like around, okay na ba sa'yo? Mga 20,000. Alam niyo po, ang $300, $200, ordinary po yan na income dito sa Livcode. This is not bragging, but what we are saying is, dahil it's so easy, parang ang tingin mo is ordinary kasi nga madali yung complan. Hindi namin sinasabi na chicken feed lang yan or what. What we are saying is the compensation plan is so simple na it is achievable na makakuha ka ng ganong income. No, yun po ang gusto namin sabihin. Unlike the previous company that I had, no, ang maintenance ko was like 13,000 and then ang income ko naging $10. Nakakalungkot naman yun. So abonado ka pa. Dito, regardless anong rank mo, mag-gold, mag-platinum, mag-diamond, mag-crown diamond, 995 lang, done ka na. 600 pesos, done na. So might as well focus on the 1 year, you're good, tapos na, and sige, business tayo. Ganun lang po yun. Okay? And crown diamond, total team of 50,000 with no more than 10,000 counting from any individual team. Alam niyo po, whether you like it or not, magda-diamond tayo. So, it is just a matter of time. We just have to find the right people for us. Meron naman talaga nakadalagang tamang tao para sa atin. Hahanapin lang natin. Diba? Okay. So, ito po yun. Just one page presentation or maybe we call it the cheat sheet o kaya depende kung gusto nyo i-earn to. You could just screenshot para at least meron kayong a gist of what we have here or yung diniscuss natin. What kind of business do we have here? A membership club driven by subscription. What is our mission? And then yung products natin, we take note, huwag nyo kakalimutan na we are not a health and wellness company. We just started, no? Nag-umpisa lang tayo, but we will put everything in our membership. And we are like Costco, we are like Netflix, Amazon, Zoom, but tayo, ang pagkakaiba is, ang edge natin ay babayaran tayo. Okay? And of course, US-based ang ating company. Now, if your prospect would want to talk about the income, then you could talk about the ranks and 7 ways to earn. But if they just want the membership, you could talk about the benefits of being a member. You could talk about yung products, how good, how powerful, how amazing, how effective our products are. Okay? Ayan. So, dito po ang sikreto, napakasimple lang, GPS. Para may direksyon, di ba, sa sasakyan. Pag nag-drive ka, di ba, para mas makapunta ka sa destination mo, merong GPS. Tayo, may GPS din dito. So, ibig sabihin, ang GPS natin dito would mean get in, plug in, stay in. Kayo po ng mga bago, congratulations, dahil narinig nyo po ito. So, just get in, do not overanalyze, do not overthink, no? Kasi po, ang dami na po nag-isip niyan. 1.6 million ang sumali na po. So ano pa ang pag-iisipan mo? Alam mo po, overthinking can lead you to paralysis. Analysis by paralysis. And pag nag-overthink ka, nangyayari, napoprocrastinate ka. So pinupospone mo yung mga dapat mong umpisahan. At pag pinuspone mo yung dapat mong umpisahan, alam niyo po, procrastination is also the silent killer of dreams. Pag pinuspone mo na yan, dinidelay mo, ano nangyayari? Nawawala yung momentum mo hanggang sa makalimutan mo na ang iyong mga pangarap. Okay? Now, once you get in, plug in, learn the back office, get into the Zoom para maaral mo. We have everyday Zooms, Monday to Friday and Saturday training, Monday recognition and also another training. Of course, meron din tayong trainings sa ating corporate team, no? Yung ating CEO and co-founders. Every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, dito, aaralin mo lang talaga yung negosyo. Everything is being equipped. Meron ka ng tools kung paano siya i-share. We also have funnel system here. No? Lahat na binigay na. Ikaw na lang talaga ang kulang. And number three, stay in. Stay and pay your subscription. Alam nyo po, if you are plugged in, actually automatic na yung stay in, because staying in is just subscription. Staying in is just being there doing your business. Staying in is being resilient na kahit ano, magagawa mo ang Live Good because you are supported, and because as always we have a team for you, we have a team for everyone, no? Yan. We work as a team. Alam naman natin that, well, teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, so get in, plug in, and stay in. Okay, so alam ko po sa inyo ngayon, napakahirap magdesisyon. Mahirap nga ba? Actually, yan ang dapat yung i-master. I will not be, ang tag nito, hindi ko na kayo pahirapang mag-decide, no? So binigay ko na po lahat with all my powers and energy. We have given you all the perks, and as well as bakit kailangan mong gawin itong opportunity to. It's up to you to decide. Alam niyo po, life is just a choice. So choice nyo, if you want a life of riches, if you want a life of richness or poorness, or being poor, being rich or being poor, or maybe sabihin natin na a life that would make the difference, no? It's all about your power to decide. And alam niyo po, ang power of decision, laging ano yan nakadepende yan kung ano yung estate mo. Ibig sabihin, nakadepende kung ano yung pinapaniwalaan mo. So, it is like, kung yung estate mo is you had some failures or hindi ka naging successful sa past network marketing companies mo, then usually naapektuhan yung pag-decide mo. Ngayon, binigay ko na sa'yo lahat, and I think you just have to move on, no? You cannot undo the past, but you could reshape the future, no? So you can always have a choice. It's either pwede kang mamili yung choice na magkaroon ka ng walang kwentang buhay, or choice na gusto mong maging makabuluhan yung buhay mo. So it's a choice of having a worthless life or having a meaningful life. And I would like to let you know that being with Live Good, masasabi ko po that you will have a meaningful life. When I say a life of wealth, hindi ko po sinasabi na yayaman ka dito because we don't want to have. Wealth can mean a lot of things. It could mean a breakthrough of health, a breakthrough of relationship, a breakthrough of time and financial freedom. So just make a choice. I leave everything to you because nasa inyo po ang pagbabago ng buhay ninyo. Nakadepende po. So maybe you could make today your day one. Di ba? It's either one day or day one. One day, magjo-join ka ba dito? Or today ba will be your day one and Live Good? I would like to think it the other way, that today will be your day one at iko-congratulate kita. Okay? And the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It's like I said, we cannot undo the past. Just live in the power of now. And because of the power of now, you could shape your future. Alam niyo po, very uncertain and future, but you just have to focus on the now, focus on the present, live in the present, no? And you just have to learn to trust the unknown. Okay? So maraming salamat po. I hope I have given value for today. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga andito na nakinig, mga nag-observe, sana po ay nagustuhan niyo ang ating presentation. At the same time, sana nakita niyo po ang opportunity na binibigay po namin, because the real opportunity is not the business, is not the company that I showed you, but the real opportunity is you. Again, it's all up to you how you're gonna make it. Life is what we make it. So maraming salamat po. This is Maria Jeanette. Thank you and see you at the top. Yan, okay. Pause ba? Okay, so stop share lang po ako. Yan, okay. Woo! All right. Okay ho ba? Any questions?